Dear children, here is a question. What is the value of 0 factorial? The options are 0, 1, 2 and none of the above. So most of the students may think that 0 is the right answer and some members will write D is the right answer because of 0 factorial cannot be found. In that way they think. But come to the point, my dear. Actually 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1 is equal to 2. In the same way, 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then you will get here 20 into 6. So 120 will be the answer. Similarly, n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. Like this you can continue it. So in a short way we can write n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. This is one of the formula, my dear. Hence, now here 1 factorial can be written as 1 into 1 minus 1 factorial as per the question. Now, here 1 factorial can be written as 1 factorial by 1 because of this 1 can be taken left side. So, it will be divisible. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 factorial. Now, you observe that 1 factorial by 1 can be written as 1 only because of 1 factorial is 1. Divided by 1 is nothing but 1. 1 is equal to 0 factorial. Therefore, the value of 0 factorial will be 1. This is the right option, my dear. Hope you understand.